flashing lights, hearts fading into white, lost inside the night. One more night, luxury and lonely lights, your shadow next to mine, till sunrise day.
Rain keeps falling on these empty roads, neon lights dancing on the glass tonight. Ooh, no destination, just the sound of the engine and your memory in the passenger seat. Sleeping while we fade away. Cold blue lights got me through the haze. Every mile feels like another goodbye, but I still see a shadow in the skyline, running through the midnight storm, trying to escape what we were before. The bass keeps beating in my lonely heart. The silence tears my soul apart. Reflections blur beneath the wheels. Every heartbeat feels unreal. Tokyo lights and endless lanes can't outrun these memories and pain. Maybe somewhere in another life we never said goodbye. Maybe under different city lights you'd still be by my side. We ride through the neon rain, dreaming that you'll come back again, but the road keeps pulling me away into another lonely night.
Streetlights fading into endless night. Every shadow tells a different story. Every heartbeat searching for some glory. Lost inside the echoes of the avenue, thinking about the dreams we never knew. The silence speaks louder than before as the city opens one more door. And I keep driving through the storm, trying to find where I belong. The road is long, but I move on, following the midnight song. Midnight signals calling my name through the darkness, through the rain. Every mile feels the same, but I'm alive inside the flame. Midnight signals in the sky, like a dream that won't say goodbye. Keep me moving through the night till the morning wind brings the empty highway shining silver blue. Every memory leads me back to you. The city's heartbeat never slows down. Lost souls wandering through this town. The moon reflects across the glass, watching all the moments pass. But somewhere in the distant glow, there's a place I'm meant to know. And I keep driving through the storm, trying to find where I belong. The road is long, but I move on, following the midnight song. Midnight signals calling my name through the darkness, through the rain. Guide me more, feels the same, but I'm alive inside the midnight signal. Streetlights fading in the rain. Midnight echoes call your name. Another lonely ride tonight under neon paradise. Slow motion through the avenue. Every shadow looks like you. City glowing blue and gold, while my heart still feels so cold. The radio keeps playing songs that bring back where we went wrong. Your perfume still lives inside this empty seat beside my side. Traffic lights and blurred out dreams. Nothing's ever what it seems. These quiet if you hear this somewhere too. Maybe it still reaches you somewhere between these melodies and all these neon memories. So let the night keep flowing slow. There are things we never let go, and every road beneath these lights still feels like you today. Neon memories floating endlessly like reflections in the rain, and they never truly leave. And if tomorrow comes too fast, I'll stay inside this moment's grasp. One more drive beneath the glow before I finally let you go. Rain against the window, city lights below, deep bass through the silence, no one left to go. Late night, late night, late night, late night, late night. Rain falling softly on the avenue, neon reflections run across the room. Another night with nowhere left to go, just me, the city, and the radio. Empty streets and blurry headlights, the world feels slower after midnight. Every song reminds me of your name, and nothing really feels the same. I still drive past the places we knew, even when I know I won't find you. Your shadow dances in the passenger seat like a memory right next to me. The traffic lights turn red then blue, but every road still leads to you. And these quiet nights keep pulling me back to the love we lost inside the dark. They streets tonight, and every passing car feels like another goodbye. But if you ever miss me too, follow the neon through the blue. Maybe one day these empty streets will bring you back to me. Rain on the window, blaze through the speaker. One more lonely drive. Midnight shadows on the avenue, golden lights falling over you, slow champagne dreams in a velvet room, baseline heartbeat under the moon. We don't talk, we just move, lost in the rhythm, me and you. City smoke and neon blue. Tonight feels too good to lose. Take me higher through the night, electric touch and flashing lights. No tomorrow in our eyes, only this moment, you and I. Deep inside the midnight glow, feel the heat, let your body go. Every second moving slow, dancing where the wild hearts go. Dark perfume and satellite skies, your reflection shining in my mind. Rooftop silence, paradise, living in a beautiful disguise. We don't need the morning sun, we keep dancing till the night is done. Luxury dreams already begun, falling deeper one by one. Take me higher through the night, electric touch and flashing lights. No tomorrow in our eyes, only this moment, you and I. motion moments underneath the stars. We're dancing like we'll never fall apart. Velvet voices in the dark tonight. Your silhouette beneath the city lights. Every touch feels cinematic. Sweet obsession, automatic. Stay with me till the sunrise fades away. Lost between the echoes of the night and rain. We can disappear into the sun. No words needed now. Just your body close somehow. Midnight calling through the radio. Soft bass shaking every empty row. Champagne feelings in a world so cold. You pull me deeper than I've ever known. Eyes like diamonds in the flashing blue. Smoke and gold surrounding me and you. Hearts collide inside the silence. Beautiful and full of violence. Stay with me till the sunrise fades away. Lost between the echoes of the night and rain. We can disappear into the sun. No words needed now. Just your body close somehow. Ooh, night paradise. Fading into light. Neon after midnight. Love inside the skyline. Breathing in the slow time. You and I tonight. Raindrops falling on the avenue. Mirror reflections cover you. Slow motion hearts inside the blue. Tonight feels like something new. Leather seats in the indie low. City lights putting on a show. Your perfume moving through the smoke. Every touch keeps pulling me close. After midnight, we come alive. Lost inside the flashing lights. Riding through the endless night. After midnight, your eyes collide with my lonely paradise. Underneath the skyline lights. take me higher slowly. Ooh, night feels holy. Ooh, dancing to the sunrise. Ooh, fading into blue light. After midnight, hearts synchronize. Luxury inside your eyes. One last try before goodbye. Street lights glowing on the avenue. Midnight running when I'm next to you. Windows down and the sky so blue. Lost inside the city view. Heartbeat moving with the radio. Slow hands dancing while the speakers blow. Every mile makes me lose control. Tonight we never going home. City lights tonight, burning in your eyes. We don't need sunrise, just this paradise. City lights tonight, hold me through the night. Nothing feels so right under neon skies. Cold wind blowing through the boulevard. Golden reflections on your car. No destination, driving through the dark. You and me like a work of art. Moonlight falling on your silhouette. Every second I can't forget your perfume and cigarette. Feel like something dangerous. City lights tonight, burning in your eyes. We don't need sunrise, just this paradise. City lights tonight, hold me through the night. Nothing feels so right under neon skies. Ooh, ride it me slowly. Ooh, night feels holy. Ooh, lost in emotion. Ooh, deep like the ocean. City lights tonight, fading into white. One more lonely ride with you by my side.